Here we have the Eachine H8S. As you see, this drone on the picture on the box is upside down. That's because it has inverted flight. So you can flip it upside down and you can fly upside down. So it does come in two different colors. It comes in green and then it also comes in blue, but I bought a green one. So let's open this up. We're gonna see what comes in the box. And then we also in here have quite a few instruction manuals. Here's the drone, and here is the controller. It is a non-altitude hold. Here we have a pack of parts. We have a USB charger, we have a little screwdriver, and then we have some spare props. It looks like we have 4 of them, so 1 for each corner. And then we also have these little rubber pads, which they go on the bottom of the motors here. You don't have to put them on. I usually don't, but it does soften it from like slamming down on hard surfaces, so it does cushion it a little bit, but I don't usually put them on. But let's take a look at the drone here. To turn it on, all you do is plug it in, and then you have your blue LEDs in the back and your front LEDs are red. But that's it. That's everything that comes in the box, and I'm going to charge this battery up and then we're ready to fly. Also, I got it from Banggood for like $11.99, so we'll see how good this flies. But I think because I had the Eachine H8 before, I think this is going to be a pretty good flyer. So if you're interested in purchasing one, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. But as soon as this is charged up, we'll be ready to fly. Okay, so we're going to try out the Eachine H8S. So to turn this on, all we do is plug it in, because there is no on and off switch. And then there you can see the red LEDs for the front, blue LEDs for the back. Let's turn the controller on, and you hear that beep. That means there's no flashing either, so it auto binds. So here we go. Now I had the Eachine 8S, and that thing flew pretty good, and this thing's flying pretty good as well, but this one goes upside down. So let's just try that one right away. I have a little bit of a breeze here, so you have to control it a little bit, but let's go upside down and see how that works. So we hit this top button right here. Oh, I'm not paying attention. Hit this top button here, and then okay. It is upside down. There, you see that? It's upside down. So that's pretty cool. It does mess with your orientation though. I have no idea which way I'm going. The steering's actually opposite. So if you want to go forward, you have to go reverse. If you want to go left, you have to go right. So that is something to keep in mind. So everything is reversed when you're upside down. Let's flip it back over. And there we go. We are back. So that was kind of scary because you lose orientation. I wasn't expecting it to reverse the directions. But I guess with it being upside down, you have to expect that. So anyway, this has 2 rates. Let's go in the other rate. You hear the 2 beeps. So that's, oh, it's pretty quick. It speeds up the yaw too when you put it in the second rate. Try and get it up a little bit above the tree so you can see it. Let's test some throttle punch here. Let's see how. Now it is in the second rate, so, and oh, there it goes. So not bad. Not bad. I do like this one too. It is a pretty good flyer, and it's not bad upside down either once you get yourself oriented with
the change in directions. Let's give it full throttle forward. Oh yeah, she's fast. So it does do flips as well. It doesn't just go upside down. Let's do a front flip. And it's not wanting to. I don't know why. It can't be almost dead already. Are the LEDs flashing? Oh, they are. Well, okay, I'm gonna go charge this up quick, and I'm gonna show you some flips because I was having too much fun like showing the speed of this thing and also flying with it upside down that apparently, oh, and there it is, it's dead. So that is the life of the battery, not very long. I'm gonna go ahead, charge this back up and do some flips with it just to show you guys all the flips and see how well it flips. Okay, here we are, we're back. We're gonna do some flips again just because I didn't get to show you before the battery died, but there's the flips. Let's bring it back over here. Let's do a back flip here, and let's do a roll to the left there. We'll do another roll. We'll go a roll to the right. Let's go upside down again. So like I said, you have to hit the top left shoulder button to do the inverted flight, and then you have to hit like forward or something. It'll flip over. Okay, so there it is. So you see the battery connector. Let's get it over here. It's a little hard to fly when you're used to a certain way. So you see the battery connector there in the back. Now I'm hitting back and it's going front. And now I hit front and it's going backwards. So the directions are reversed on it. It's a little hard to get used to, but once you're upside down for a little bit and you realize that the back of the drone is now the front, it does get a little easier to fly. We'll flip it back over. There we go. And we are back to normal. That's it for the Eachine H8S. And I think it's a really cool drone. And it's even cooler because you can fly it upside down.
So there you saw the Eachine H8S. It was a pretty good flyer. But that's it for this video. Hit the subscribe button if you didn't already. Smack that like button. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.